Hey, it's Phil Simon, and I wanted to show you the simple manuscript word count tracker. At a high level, there's one database that you have to worry about here, and when you add a new entry, you can basically just click here, and a simple automation will make it today. So you can see how the born on date makes it today. I've got a couple of other formulas here that you can use if you want to mess around with charts. But a couple of things that I'd like to point out here: the ending word count of your manuscript. This also tells you the word counts written per day. And that's a simple formula here. So if I click edit property and then edit formula, we'll see that this is just ending word count of your manuscript minus starting word count. So pretty straightforward. And then if you exceed your word goal for the day, you get a simple message here. So this, again, editing the property, looks at the daily word goal. And if it's greater than, then it's baller, elsewise it's meh. So what is your daily word goal? Well, you can set that up here if you want in the database level, or if you want to mess with the template here, you can click edit, and my daily word count is going to, or goal is going to default to 500. You could use different templates for different days of the week. For example, maybe you want to take weekends off and only write a couple of hundred words. Depending on your Notion plan, you'll be able to access the charts here. This is a simple one that just shows the words written per day. There's only one day here, so you're only going to see 572. But over time, if that were to increase or decrease, this is just your basic chart. And then this is a cumulative count of the words. So if you wrote 572 words a day, then the next day wouldn't be 572. It would be, how's my math, 1,144. And it would just keep going up and to the right. And then I've also included a timeline view, so if you wanted to see things broken out by date, and of course, if you click here, you can open this up and go into individual date. Maybe you want to put some notes or something here, again, or some comments, but that's totally up to you. So writing a book is a lot of work. Hopefully this will keep you on track. And if this is a good thing for you, then hope it helps. Thanks.